everybody, it's Diane Naylor from Naylor & Naylor, Keller Williams Seneca. Jacob and I were out for a drive today, so we decided to stop by and check out one of our listings, 1008 Royal Summit Drive. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house, just over 2,300 square foot, 2-car garage, just 2.5 miles away from Clemson University, sits on 0.73 of an acre, so come with me for more information and we'll check out this house.
So here we are in the main living area. This is going to be a good space for all those family gatherings. The floor is natural hardwood floor. These are the original floors of the house. But the best thing about this is the master bedroom. It just flows from the main area. So you have lots of privacy from your other bedrooms. Check out the fireplace. I know that you're all going to love this grey fireplace. It's gas, by the way, so it's going to be nice and cosy for those winter evenings. Lots of natural light. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. It's going to give you a great light. Check out the bathroom, the master bathroom. You have his and her closets, so there's no fighting anymore for closet space. You've got double sinks. You've got a tub, and of course you've got your walk-in shower. So come on, let's go check out the other rooms. This is the kitchen, so it's conveniently located from the master, so you can get hungry during the night, you can just pop out and make a quick sandwich. The kitchen has got views of the deck on the outside and the yard, a nice flat yard, 0.073 of an acre, so it's a really good size. As we come out the kitchen, you have 3 additional bedrooms upstairs, and like I said, this is a split floor plan. 3 bedrooms upstairs, and they all share a full bathroom. Downstairs in the basement, you do have an extra additional room. You have a walkout, so you can walk directly out from your laundry room, and there is a full bathroom downstairs with a walk-in shower. So this is really a great space for a family. So if you want more information, you need to go and check out our website, nailitworksforyou.com. We've got more pictures and we've got more information. $310,000, just over 2,300 square foot. So why not give us a call, 864-650-2476. Jacob and I are going to be waiting for your call. Check out more of our listings on the website too. Call us about anything. We're always here to help. Bye.